Hello, welcome to our channel. You want Tech Tutorial. On today's tutorial, I will be guiding you how we can fix the WhatsApp SMS verification code not received. But before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further videos on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, you just need to go to the Play Store and search in the WhatsApp. If you see any update here on WhatsApp Messenger, you just need to tap on update and you can fix the WhatsApp SMS verification code not received. Another way is you just need to go to the setting of your phone and scroll down, and you need to search in the apps and tap on app management and wait until apps are loaded here. Once it is loaded, you can just scroll down and find out WhatsApp, tap on it, and you need to tap on storage usage, clear all the cache, go back and tap on manage notification and let that allow notification be toggle on. If it's toggle off like this, then you can just tap on allow notification and you can allow all the notifications from the WhatsApp. Go back and go back again, and here on the messages you just need to go and search again. If it is not finding in this way, then you can just tap on the search bar and search in messages and tap on messages again, and this page will appear where you need to tap on manage notification and toggle on like this. If it's toggle off, then tap on allow notification and toggle on so that SMS may be easily received, and tap on the storage users again and tap on clear cache, go back and go back again. Now this will easily solve the WhatsApp SMS verification code not received problem. If in this way also it did not resolve your problem, then you can restart your phone again and you can fix the problem. So this is it guys. Thank you.